Boundary lines. First boundary line is Durand Line Treaty. Durand Line Treaty was signed between Sir Mortimer Durand and King of Afghanistan Abdur Rahman on November 12, 1893. Then second boundary line is MC Mohan Line. MC Mohan Line is boundary between China and India. Then third boundary line is French Line of Fortification. French line of fortification built in 1934 along the German border from Switzerland to Belgium was called Maginot Line. Then fourth line is the 17th parallel line. The 17th parallel line is between North and South Vietnam. Then fifth boundary line is the 24th parallel line. The 24th parallel line lies in Rann of Kutch. It is the frontier between Pakistan and India. Then sixth is the 38th parallel line. The 38th parallel line is between North and South Korea. Then the last boundary line is the Red Caliph line. Red Caliph line is the name of Pakistan and India border. Thanks for watching.